Welcome to my channel PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you can check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. AI crowd counting surveillance uses machine learning and computer vision to analyze video feeds and identify crowd density levels in real time, also generating insights like heat maps in order to help with safety and management. By utilizing this technology, it will count people, track movement, identifies high concentration areas, and even triggers alerts for overcrowding or unusual activity that may take place. There are different applications ranging from managing events and public spaces to smart city initiatives, where it improves resource allocation and public safety. Real-time processing models like YOLO. You only look once can process video feeds in real time to provide up-to-the-minute information. The AI crowd surveillance will identify complex features and patterns to differentiate between people, vehicles, and other movements. A smart city uses digital technology and data to improve residents' quality of life, efficiency, and sustainability. AI crowd density analysis is utilized when it comes to designing and developing smart cities. This is achieved by connecting and managing city services like transportation, energy, and public safety through AI analysis technologies. One of the most important applications when it comes to AI crowd counting management again is the real-time crowd density analysis. Artificial intelligence systems utilize surveillance cameras and Internet of Things sensors to track movement within crowds and identify any abnormal behaviors and reports back. As always, there is major concern when it comes to privacy and AI crowd detection. Ethical AI deployment must ensure that individuals' rights are protected. There is an ongoing effort to develop regulations and privacy-preserving techniques to mitigate these risks. So what are your thoughts when it comes to crowd counting? Please comment down below. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails that will be floating around at the end pertaining to similar content, and don't forget PeekAboo-AI. See you.